Once upon a time, in a world painted with rainbows and stardust, lived a gentle unicorn named Luna. Luna wasn't like the other unicorns who loved to gallop across sunny meadows. She was a little shy, with a coat as white as fresh snow and a horn that shimmered with a soft, magical light. Her favorite thing to do was listen to the ancient stories whispered by the wind. One evening, a shadow fell over their enchanted land. The laughter of the fairies grew quiet. The rivers stopped their cheerful songs, and the magical flowers began to droop, their colors fading to gray. The heart of magic, a crystal that powered their world, was losing its light. The oldest unicorn, a wise elder named Soul, gathered everyone. He explained that the crystal could only be recharged by a special flower that grew deep within the brave forest, a place no unicorn had dared to enter for centuries. The brave forest was known for its tricky paths and mysterious whispers. Many believed it was a scary place, filled with shadows that danced and trees that groaned. But Luna remembered a story the wind once told her. The forest wasn't mean, just misunderstood. It tested the courage of those who entered, not with monsters, but with their own fears. Seeing the fear in her friend's eyes, Luna felt a spark of determination. She knew she wasn't the strongest or the fastest, but she had a kind heart, and maybe, just maybe, that was the most important kind of bravery. "I will go," she announced, her voice soft but steady. Her friends were worried, but they saw the brave light shining in her eyes. Packing a small bag with sparkling dewdrop water and sweet moonbeam berries, Luna trotted towards the edge of the woods, her shimmering horn lighting the way. As Luna stepped into the brave forest, the tall trees seemed to lean in, their leaves whispering secrets. "Turn back, little one," a gust of wind hissed. Luna's heart fluttered, but she remembered the wind's old story. She took a deep breath and whispered back, "I am not here to fight, but to help." The wind seemed to soften, guiding her toward a path lit by glowing, friendly moss. Soon she came to a chattering river that was too wide to cross. A family of beavers was busy building a dam, looking tired and frustrated. Instead of trying to force her way across, Luna asked, "Is there anything I can do to help?" The beavers were surprised. They explained they needed a special, strong log from the other side. Using her magical horn, Luna gently nudged a fallen silver birch across the water. Grateful, the beavers quickly finished a sturdy bridge for her. Kindness builds bridges where strength cannot. The head beaver chirped. Deeper in the forest, Luna met a grumpy badger who blocked her path, complaining that his favorite berry bush had lost all its flavor. Luna knew just what to do. She offered him one of her sweet moonbeam berries. The badger's grumpy face softened into a smile. "Oh, this is delicious," he exclaimed, and happily showed her a secret, faster trail. Finally, Luna reached the heart of the forest. There, in a clearing bathed in moonlight, grew a single, magnificent flower. It glowed with all the colors of the rainbow, but it was surrounded by shadowy vines of fear. They whispered all of Luna's biggest worries. What if you fail? What if you're not brave enough? For a moment, she felt frozen, but then she thought of her home, her friends, and the lessons she learned. Being brave wasn't about not being scared. It was about shining your light anyway. Luna closed her eyes and focused not on the scary whispers, but on the love she felt for her home. Her horn began to glow brighter and brighter, a warm, pure light that pushed back the shadows. The vines of fear shriveled away, not from force, but from her unwavering kindness and courage. She gently touched her horn to the glowing flower. A wave of brilliant energy pulsed from it, flowing through Luna and racing back to her homeland. She had done it. The journey back was joyful. The forest was no longer whispering scary things. Instead, the trees hummed a happy tune, and all the animals she had helped cheered her on. When she returned, her world was once again vibrant and full of magic. The heart of magic shone brighter than ever before. Luna was no longer just the shy unicorn. She was Luna the brave, who taught everyone that true courage isn't about having no fear, but about letting your kind heart shine brightly in the dark. And she knew that the greatest magic of all was the magic of friendship and compassion. Thank you for joining Luna on her magical adventure. We hope you loved this story. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wonderful tales. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a new story. See you next time, little dreamers.